Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa and today I'm going to review the LG F0K2, CH-K2, T2 and F70E 1UDN K1 twin load washing machine. This washing machine is a beast which is easy to operate and has some really advanced features. So without making you wait any longer, let's learn more about them. This machine comes with LG's patent twin wash technology, which provides you with a large capacity of 21.5 kg. It lets you wash two different loads at the same time with the mini pedestal washer. With the mini washer, you can wash smaller loads of delicate clothes, hand washables and workout wear, or even use it separately for just smaller loads. Moving on, this washing machine is clearly one of the best washing machines out there because it is equipped with the 6-motion direct drive technology. Let me briefly explain to you how this works. Once you select a wash program, the drum moves in multiple motions for an optimal wash. And then it uses a 6-step cleaning process including scrubbing, stepping, tumbling, filtering, swinging and rolling, much like hand washing. Here the bottom pedestal uses 3 other motions: wave force, agitating and swing. In turn, your clothes receive proper care without the fabric getting damaged, ensuring your clothes always stay as good as new. This LG washing machine also gives you optimum washing performance because of its inverter control technology. This feature generates less speed fluctuations and consumes the exact amount of electricity at every step. This does not only save water, but also energy, which is a huge saving in your electricity bill. This machine is also equipped with the 3-in-1 True Steam technology. The Allergy Care tackles up to 99.9% of allergens and enzymes with optimal temperature control. The Steam Refresh freshens your clothes in just 20 minutes, keeping them wrinkle and odor-free. Also friends, this washing machine has the environment-friendly Eco Hybrid technology. With this technology, you can save water and energy by shortening the drying cycle. It has 2 modes such as air dry mode that uses no water for drying and turbo dry mode that shortens the entire cycle without any compromise. The air hybrid dryer takes care of sensitive fabrics by washing them at low temperatures with the gentle care that they deserve. The motor is also super reliable and absolutely quiet. It functions in peace so that you don't get bothered in any of your other chores. This motor is also backed by a 10-year-long warranty that gives you complete peace of mind. This washing machine works like a maverick and it takes care of itself when it needs any kind of repair. With the smart diagnosis system, this machine troubleshoots and repairs itself with the help of your smartphone. If the problem is still unmanageable, then the machine detects it automatically, saving your time and trouble of explaining the problem. This machine also comes with Wi-Fi so that you can control it remotely with zero effort. Also friends, with a dedicated smart app, you can control this washing machine with your smartphone. And that's how easy it is. So friends, this LG front load washing machine gets 2 thumbs ups from me. It is extremely powerful and user-friendly. The advanced and easy to use features will make it your everyday partner in no time. And buying this washing machine on Flipkart becomes an irresistible deal because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So come, join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.